And this is negotiation. Bilo wants to be a human resource manager after graduating from college. Bilo's father, however, wants him to drop out of school so that he can manage the family business before he retires. Choose one of the people, Bilo or his father. Prepare how you will negotiate. The questions below will guide you. Negotiate, ensuring both of you benefit from the decision made. So we have Bilo who wants to be a what? A human resource manager after doing what? Graduating. And then, but his father wants to do what? Wants him to, not even to complete the college, to drop out. And then, to go and start managing the what? The family business before his father retires. So now you have to choose either Bilo or his father, and you prepare how you're going to negotiate. So the question, so what is the situation? What do I want? Why is it important to me? What am I willing to compromise? How will I convince my son? So that is Bilo's what? Father. And then for Bilo, the questions are, what is the situation? What do I want? Why is it important to me? What am I willing to compromise? How can I convince my father? So we go to Bilo's perspective. Bilo wants to do what? The human resource. Yes? He wants to do the human resource. He wants to be a human resource manager after he graduates. He doesn't want to go to drop out of the school and go and manage family business. So what is the situation? The father wants him to drop out of college immediately, because before even Bilo's father retires, so that he can start managing. But Bilo wants to finish college and become a manager, human resource manager. He wants to complete. So you go answering the question. That is the situation. The father wants Bilo to do what? To drop out school. Yes? And go and start managing the family business before his father retires. But now Bilo wants to be a what? A human resource manager after graduating. So he wants to complete the school. So as Bilo, what do I want? Why is it important to me? So number one, Bilo wants to complete the what? The degree. He wants to complete his degree. Yes. It's very important for him to have professional qualifications, so that he can be able to be, these professional qualifications allows him to be able also to bring modern management skills in his father's business later in life. Yes. So he wants to be a resource manager, but he wants also later in life, if he takes up the business, to be what? To use his knowledge that he's gained from school to manage his father's business. So what is Bilo also willing to compromise? He is willing to dedicate the weekends, the evening, and all semester breaks in working at the business for his father. So in order, because we are trying to solve the problem. The question number 2, whereby we are being asked, why am I willing to compromise? No, why is it important to me? Bilo will explain to his father that me completing my degree, I will get skills so that I'm able to manage your what? Your business. Yes? These skills, even if I want to be a resource manager, it is going to help your what? Your business. And number 3, what is Bilo willing to compromise? So that they can be what? So that he negotiates with his father. So that his father can be in good terms with his father. He's going to all the weekends, all the evenings after classes in the university, all the evenings and any semester breaks. You know, in the university we have semesters. It's not terms like here, right? He's going to work in the what? The family business. Are you understanding? So he's going to do his degree during the day, and then in the evening he goes to the what? The family business. And then also he goes during all the weekends, and if he has any semester break, he goes. You'll find that like most of the universities, they usually like have a summer break. Most of them now are breaking. They break for like 4 months, right? So all these breaks, that is when Bilo is going to go to the family what? Business and operate it. At the same time, he is able to complete the what? The degree. Because during the day, when there is session, he's going to do his what? His degree. So, how will I convince my father? How will Bilo convince his father? So, he will explain to his father that after completing human resource degree, he's going to get skills of managing employees and hiring in the family business. Yes? Because he wants to be a human resource manager. He can still manage the what? The business, but after the degree. Are you understanding? After the degree, because he's going to gain skills that are able to help him to hire well. They hire employees well in their company, and also to manage the employees. A human resource basically in a company is the one who's supposed to hire people. Hiring people is whereby he gives you the job, right? He's the one who also fires. Yes? He ensures he gets the good employees, and also he helps also in firing them, yes, and managing them. If you behave badly in a job, you go to the human resource to answer. Are we together? You're someone at the human resource. So after the degree, he's going to convince his father. You see, now I'm working over the weekends and in the evening in your business, because now he needs to work in the business before his father retires, yes? And then also when they are during semester breaks. At the end of it all, I'm going, after the degree, now I graduate, I'm going to take over. Are you understanding? That is how below is going to explain it. So we go to the side of Biko's father. So here the Biko's perspective, we've already talked about Biko. Now we go to his father. What is the situation? His father is ready to retire, but he needs his son Biko to take over the family what? Business, in managing the family business immediately. So he wants him to do what? To stay out of college. Dropping out is whereby he doesn't complete his degree. He stays out of college immediately and start managing what? Managing the family business, because his father wants to retire. So, as Biko's father, what do I want and why is it important to me? So he wants a smooth transition. He wants a smooth and immediate transition. Transition is whereby he gives his son what? The business immediately. Transitioning is smooth. It's whereby even the workers will not notice that someone else has taken what? Over. Everything to run well in the business before he retires. He wants his business to be in safe hands before he retires. Because, remember, this business is the source of what? Family's livelihood. Oh, so what is he willing to compromise? Yes? He's willing to delay. He's supposed to delay his retirement for a short period. Maybe temporarily get an assistant manager, so that he can give time to Bilo to do what? To complete his what? His degree. Because Bilo cannot be the business when he's at the semesters are in session, right? So he's supposed to delay his full retirement for a short while. Maybe get an assistant manager, so that he can give Bilo some time to complete his what? His college degree. So, and how is he going to convince his son Bilo? Number one, he's going to assure him that this business will be security for the future. Yes? He will tell him that this is a guarantee that your future will be good. You'll be catered for. That's why he's telling him to come and take over the what? The business after he graduates. Yes? And explain why the business is important. That's all about case study 3. We go to case study 4.